Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today where I'm doing final tests on this Beckhoff based EtherCAT PLC trainer. Dave purchased this trainer from me and I wanted to do final tests on it before I package it up and ship it to him. As you can see, this trainer is made up of a few items. I have a power supply, a Traco Power 3.6 amp power supply, along with the Beckhoff EK1100, a number of slices connected to that EK1100, digital input, digital output, analog in, analog out, and all that is connected to this trainer PC board. So digital outputs from the trainer board will go to the PLC and we will see that on the web visu. I also have a web visu that I brought up to show how the trainer works. As you can see on the visu, I've got 8 switches which correspond to the relays on the circuit board. The relays can be made to come on, as you can see on the board itself. The relays are now going on one at a time as I turn the switches on, and I can turn them off as well, but I'll leave them all on for now. I also have 4 indicators, red indicators, which these correspond to the switches on the trainer itself. So as I press them, we see the lights come on the web visu. I also have 2 meters. Those meters correspond to the potentiometers that I have here and the displays. So if I turn these up to 5 volts, let's say, let's go up to 5, 4.7, and let's do the same. We see that the meters on the web visu are also increasing to 5 volts. There we have it. Top meter, channel number 1, bottom meter, channel number 2. And as I lower these, we see that the web visu is also corresponding accordingly. The last thing on the visu I'm going to show, I have 2 sliders over here, and these correspond to analog outputs on my EL4002 slice right here. So as I slide the sliders from 0 to max, we see that the indicator, the meters on the trainer itself, move back and forth. So as I'm at 0, we see the indicator needle at 0, and I can make that go up to 10 volts DC. So I'll go back to approximately 5, and if I were to put my meter on here, which I already did, we'll see that the slice itself is putting out 5 volts and 4.92, or whatever my slider is set to. So this should give Dave a very good trainer base to start training and learning more about the Beckhoff EtherCAT system. I have space on the DIN rail here where Dave can buy more slices, add them to the system, and train on specific item he wants to train with. So Dave, I want to thank you very much for purchasing this from me. I appreciate it very much. And for all you viewers out there, if any of you have a need for a trainer like this one, please feel free to contact me. I'd be more than happy to discuss this with you. In the meantime, I hope you'll take a few seconds to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it very much. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.